back to our channel, and in today's video I'm going to be cleaning our safe haven, our bedroom. So I just finished washing the sheets and I'm going to put it back in our pillows and our bed, and also I'm going to wipe out our mirror dresser and our mirrored nightstand. I love mirrored stuff, so I got a lot of wiping to do. And also I'm going to vacuum and do some mopping. Well, I do usually vacuum every day because I have a dog that sleeps with us, so vacuum is our essential equipment in our everyday cleaning, in our everyday life. So let's get on with it. I'm going to spray this Caldrea Sea Salt Neroli linen and room spray to my pillows, my linens. Oh, it's closed. And just something in the air. And that's it. So our room is not that big, so it's not really hard to clean it. And here's the finale of this video. Hope you guys like it, and see you in our next one. Bye!